Hey there, crafty friends. It's Marie again from Nicole Designs. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I have another quick tip using the clearly amazing mat from scrapbook.com. This is a little plastic mat that is a little bit tacky, a little bit sticky. It doesn't have very strong adhesive on it. It's very light adhesive, and there's a lot of great uses for it. Now, I've already made one quick tip on my channel if you want to head on over to see that. But I'm using a different size of mat today, using it to just kind of adhere an arrangement down onto my card. So you can see I am using all kinds of pieces of ephemera and things, and this is actually from the card kit of the month from Spellbinders, and I have a video on that as well if you want to go check that one out too. But there's all these little pieces of ephemera and dies and everything, and I'm working hard to arrange them on the front of my card. And I don't know about you, but sometimes I like to arrange things first, see how it looks, and then glue them down. But after you work so hard to get everything perfect, it's kind of a bummer to have to take everything off and then try to do it again. So that's where this little mat is going to come into play. So I gave you a quick shot of it there. I'm going to take it out of its packaging. When you get it out of its little packaging bag, you're going to peel off a plastic film, but keep that. Don't throw it away, because when you're done using these sticky mats, you want to put that back on so that you keep your mat clean from any dust or lint or anything. But like I mentioned, it's a little bit tacky, so I'm able to put it right over this arrangement of things, pick it up exactly the way I arranged it, exactly the way I want to keep it. And now I'm going to flip it over, and I've got the back side of all of those pieces of ephemera showing at me. So I'm taking my glue and I'm going to glue everything together. Well, not together, but I'm putting glue on the back side. And then I can just flip it back over and press it onto my card, and everything's going to stay right where I wanted it. So this is a really quick and easy way to kind of keep those card arrangements the way you want them. Easy way to get them glued onto your card. And you can see here, it's also a great way to flip them over and kind of see what it's going to look like before you adhere it. So I can move this around my card any way I want to. I was kind of playing around with, do I want it more at the top? Do I want it more at the bottom? And since these mats are clear, you can kind of see through to the card beneath and see what it looks like before you go ahead and press it down onto your card. Now I am pressing it in. That glue is not dry yet, so the pieces do want to peel up with the mat as I'm taking it off. So I'm carefully peeling up this mat while I'm holding my pieces into place. And you can see a few of those pieces did come off, like that little gold butterfly piece. That is some gold paper, so it's not as porous as the regular paper, so it didn't want to stick right away. I just sticked it back on, and I've got those little star pieces that came up with my mat, but no big deal. Just gonna pick those off and stick them back on my card. So that is another quick tip for you guys. I hope this has been helpful. Make sure you give a like, a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, tap the bell for notifications, do all the things. I will catch you guys next time. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.